Hey guys, in today's Adobe Photoshop tutorial, we are gonna learn how to make a web shooting like Spider-Man. For that, you will need a pic like this, which is showing that you are shooting a web. You will need three types of paint tossings. You can get them in the description given below. And you'll need is a photo of showing which shows flesh or raw meat. Now we'll take the lasso tool, go to this one, select all by Ctrl A, copy it by Ctrl C and paste it over here. Now we'll select the background copy and we'll make the flesh invisible. That's just to show the bite of the spider on Spider-Man. Now we'll just make a rough triangle like this and make this one visible. Now we'll go to select and inverse so that the inverse of the selected will be selected, and we'll take the eraser and erase it out. So now there's just flesh left inside the triangle. Now we'll double click on the layer and go to bevel and emboss and do as I'm doing. Go to below emboss. It's actually to show the depth of the wound. Okay, this looks good. Now we'll go to one of the paint tossing. Take the quick selection tool and select the whole paint. Actually, you don't have to select each and every drop, you can just select the main part. And selecting each and every drop won't make it look good. Now we'll go to select redefine edge and make it a bit smoother, like number 8. Okay. Now we'll copy it by Ctrl C and paste it here. Now we'll go to image, adjustment and make it black and white. We don't need to do anything like that, just okay. Now by Ctrl T, that is quick free transform tool, will do like this. We'll make it straighter. Okay. Now we'll go to image, adjustment, curves and make it white, but keep in mind we have to show some black strips and shades. Okay. Now we'll go to other paint toss and just do as we did for the earlier one. I'll just omit it for you so that you won't get bored. We'll paste it like we did earlier. Now we'll again go to black and white, press OK, and now by free transform tool do as I'm doing. Okay. We'll go to adjustment curves and do as we did earlier. Okay. Now we'll go to the third paint toss, select it and paste it here. Now we'll go to adjustment, black and white. Okay. We'll go to edit, free transform, and now again we'll go to edit, transform and wrap. Now do as I'm doing. We'll actually make it straight. It's bent. Okay. Now again by Control T we'll rescale it and remove it. Okay. Now we'll go to curves and do the same as we did earlier. Okay. Now the web part is done. Now I had used the flash to do this, take this image. So now we have to make the shadow. So for that, we'll first of all select all the three layers and merge them. Now we'll duplicate this layer and bring it under this. And now by selecting the pointer, we'll bring it down. Okay. Now we'll take the eraser and erase out whatever we don't want. Now we'll go to image, adjustment, levels, and now we have to take the left one to extreme right in input and the right one to extreme left in output levels. So now it becomes black in color. Now we'll go to opacity of that layer and make it around 53%. Okay, now we'll go to filter, blur, box blur, and we'll make its radius as 14 pixels. Press OK. Now we'll just erase out some excess shadow. Oops. Okay. Okay. Now we'll go to the brush. Take a brush with soft edges around 53 pixels and make its opacity 20%. Select the background, copy, and just do as I'm doing. Okay. So now this is how you will look shooting a Spider-Man web. Do make your own, and you can share it on my Facebook page. And have a look at my Facebook page, facebook.com/photoshopadel. You can get all my older Photoshop, and also this one on it. Do like my page so that you can be updated to every time I upload, because not everyone goes to YouTube every day. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.